Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ice cream from scratch. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You will need heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and your chosen flavorings. We will explore both a cooked custard base, which offers a richer texture, and a quicker no-cook option. Having your ice cream maker ready and chilled, if required, is also a crucial first step for a smooth process. Now, let's prepare the base. For a rich custard, gently heat 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 3/4 cup of sugar with 4 egg yolks until it coats the back of a spoon. If you prefer a simpler approach, just whisk together the cold cream, milk, and sugar. Regardless of your method, chilling the base completely, ideally overnight, is essential for achieving the best texture and consistency during churning. Once your base is perfectly chilled, it is time for the magic of churning. Carefully pour the cold mixture into your ice cream maker and let it run for about 20 to 30 minutes. The machine works by slowly freezing and constantly stirring the mixture. This crucial step incorporates air, which is vital for creating that smooth, creamy texture we all love, preventing the formation of large, icy crystals. Finally, let's add those delicious flavors and prepare for storage. If you are adding mix-ins like cookie pieces, fresh fruit, or chocolate chunks, stir them in during the last 5 minutes of churning. Once churning is complete, transfer the soft ice cream into a freezer-safe, airtight container. Freeze it for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to firm up to a perfect scoopable consistency. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.